Welcome to this MachineBuilder design guide on generating panels, starting with selecting your surfaces. MachineBuilder includes functionality for generating paneled surfaces using materials such as HDPE, acrylic, composites, and sheet metal. Panels are generated by using extrusion profiles as the edge perimeter of the panel. In order to generate a panel, the following three criteria must be met. The first is that the desired surface must be formed from a closed loop of extrusions. Second, the loop of extrusions must be fully connected. The final is that the extrusions defining the perimeter must lie in the same plane. The first method of creating a panel is using multi-select. Hold Ctrl and select all the extrusions that will make the outer perimeter of your panel. If any vertical extrusions bisect the plane, it's not necessary to select them as long as they are connected to the original loop. Right-click on the highlighted extrusions and select Create Panel. This will open the panel generation window. If the Create Panel option is grayed out, it means one or more of the criteria are not being met. You can use the Connection Checker tool to verify connections. The second way you can create a panel is from the Parts library. Navigate to the Panel section in the Parts library and select the desired panel type. Bring your cursor over to the assembly and hover over an extrusion that will form part of the perimeter of your panel. Use the arrow keys on screen or on your keyboard to cycle through the available orientations. A green panel will be generated on top of the extrusions, and a blue panel will be generated within the extrusion slotted channel. Select the checkmark on screen or press Enter on your keyboard to confirm your selection. This will open the panel generation window.